Hello students, welcome to my channel English Sapling. I am Simafar Guru presenting a new video in front of you on very interesting topic that is abstract noun. So let's begin with its definition. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun refers to a quality or idea rather than to a physical object. These are the things that we can't touch, see, smell, taste or hear it. Our five senses cannot detect an abstract noun. For instance, love, joy, peace, friendship. Now let's understand these examples by using them in sentences. Number 1. Love is a wonderful thing. Number 2. Her face was full of joy. Number 3. Let there be peace on earth. Number 4. Our friendship has lasted for many years. So here, all these words like love, joy, peace and friendship signifies the abstract noun. Now, we will take a closer look at abstract nouns and provide even more examples, placing them in context so you can gain a greater understanding of how they work. Ashok always speaks the truth. We can see the sun, we can touch a slate, but can we see or touch the truth? No, it denotes a thing which we can neither see nor touch. It is the name of something that we can only think of. In essence, an abstract noun is a quality, a concept, an idea, or maybe even an event. Now, how to use them? Check out the following example to have greater understanding. When Joseph dived into the violent waves to rescue a drowning puppy, his bravery amazed the crowd of the fishermen standing on the dock. So here, the word bravery denotes the abstract noun. Now let's see how the abstract noun form. Number 1. Formation of abstract noun from adjective. Brave become bravery. Wise become wisdom. Formation of abstract noun from common nouns. Boy become boyhood. King become kingship. Formation of abstract noun from verbs. Behave become behavior. Please become pleasure. Formation of abstract noun from words that have the same form as the abstract nouns. Desire remains the same desire. Love remains the same love. So, this is all about abstract noun. Hope you all understand them. If you want to know more about nouns, do watch the previous parts of the noun. Link is in the description box. So I hope you really enjoy the class and don't forget to really enjoy your me time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.